This is a mini tutorial of making your own chuck. Chucks are really useful when trimming the bottoms of unusually shaped forms such as skinny-necked vases, or in this case, Christmas decorations. A chuck can simply be a volcano of clay you throw on the wheel and let to dry out slightly, or dried quicker using a heat gun so that it's firm and no longer sticky. I made this one using 700 grams of clay. Center your lump of clay as normal, open it out and pull it up into a volcano, wide at the bottom and narrow at the top. It's important to use the same clay for your chuck as for your forms, since another colour may leave a mark. It doesn't really matter how big your chuck is, as long as it's tall enough to accommodate the height of the form you're trimming and sturdy enough so that it holds its shape, taking into account the pressure of your trimming. The key is that the chuck opening needs to be slightly narrower than the widest point of the form, so that it will be able to sit inside the rim securely. With the wheel stationary, dampen the rim. This will help create an airlock to keep your form in place. Place your object, which needs to be trimmed, upside down inside the chuck. You can use a spirit level to ensure the bottom is straight if you like. I just eyeballed this Christmas decoration, as it doesn't have to be perfectly straight for what I need. You can secure your form using clay sausages if you want to, but I found this mostly not to be necessary. If you find your form goes out of centre or comes out of the chuck altogether, re-wet the rim and reposition it. It may be that you need to adjust the size of the diameter of your chuck. Making it slightly wider may help your form become more stable. I made various size Christmas decorations, so I started trimming the widest. Then as I got to the narrower forms, I re-wet the chuck and pulled up the walls again to reduce its diameter so they wouldn't fall through. It is important that the top of your chuck is straight, otherwise your form might sit on a wonk, making it really hard to trim. To ensure it's straight, cut it off using a needle tool if you need to. If you don't have a heat gun, a good way of doing it is, after you finish throwing your forms, throw your chuck. Leave it on the wheel overnight, and both your forms and your chuck will be at the correct dryness to start your trimming the next day. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching!